Hello everyone, so today's video is continuing the alphabet challenge with the letter C, and I did make a list of different characters that started with C, but I really wanted to do the Cheshire Cat, so this time I did not do a generated list to make it random out of the list that I made. I just stuck with doing the Cheshire Cat because it just really stuck out to me as a fun character to do. And so yeah, I started out by sketching out different ideas of how I wanted to do the smile, and if I wanted like to make it a super cartoony one or just make it a little semi-realistic, not really super realistic, because it's a fictional, fantastical cat that can disappear. So I went with kind of a long-haired cat that I could use the same colors from the Disney Alice in Wonderland Cheshire Cat, where it's the pink and purple with the purple stripes, and just kind of work that into almost like a natural fur pattern. So I started out by just doing a base of a pink color, and then I layered a darker pink on top of that in fur strokes, and then I continued with purple where I would want the little stripes. Almost, if you look at how a tabby cat has their stripes, I kind of went with that idea when I did the fur strokes for the purple, and I just kept layering. I would add highlights and shadows until it came together and looked how I wanted it to. And I also didn't want humongous eyes for the eyes, but I still wanted them to kind of stand out, and I wanted to make him look just kind of sly, almost fox-like in his face, because that's how I picture him as. I know when I was younger watching the cartoon, I was just like, I liked him, but I didn't like him. So yeah. And I think my whole fur idea turned out pretty good, how I wanted it to. I know once I get to the background, I kind of wish I would have taken more time on that to get it a little smoother and straighter lines, but I was kind of just not feeling so well that day, and just wanted it to be done, but I mean, it turned out okay. I would maybe go back and fix it later, but yeah. So I don't really have much else to add to this. If you have an idea for a character that starts with the letter D, let me know in the comments. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed watching me paint the Cheshire Cat. And also, if you are not subscribed yet, you should subscribe, because I post a video every Saturday. And you don't want to miss the rest of the alphabet, and maybe having some of your input be one of the characters that I do. I also do tutorial videos and just have different kind of crazy fun with art. So I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you later. Bye.